Alright, these are chicken tenders. Way better than Publix. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at the little crispy bubbles. It's gonna cook for about 1 more minute. Yep. Look at that. Oh yeah. Alright, here we go. Boneless wings, or chicken tender wings, however you want to call it. Nice and hot. Put it in here. Okay. Gonna toss it. Yeah?
Yes, Papa.
Nice! Alright. I'm gonna play with you in a minute, okay?
Yes.
Oh, nice! Nice, Papi. So we got some chicken wings here. I'll just use my hands because my hands are nice and clean. Put them right there. Look at that blue cheese sauce. This is nice. Whoops. Now this is a Super Bowl party. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Put this one right there. And now I don't really like celery, but I can do carrots. I can do carrots. Yeah. There you go. TGI Fridays, eat your heart out. Hee 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 hee. Hey, you want to see if it's cooked? A ver, coño, está caliente. A ver. Oh yeah, it's cooked. You know, I'm a chef, man.